happy Valentine's Day. A launch party to go to. Thank you Casetify for sponsoring this video. We're gonna exchange gifts now. Are you like gonna go in? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day. Today is an eventful day because I'm gonna be spending today with my gals, and I'm with one of them right now.
Hello.
It's currently 11:30 a.m. and we woke up a couple hours ago, and now we're just gonna eat some breakfast. I made myself
super trendy YouTube cereal.
My friends call the cereal the YouTuber cereal because it's like healthy and all, and like we use soy milk. So we're gonna be eating breakfast and then we're gonna start getting ready because we have a launch party to go to at 1 p.m. So today's gonna be exciting. I'm excited to be with my gals today. So we're trying to pick out what to wear to this launch party. I think I might wear this, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm in the skinny jeans mood. This is what a room looks like when two girls get ready in it. This is crazy. All right, guys, we're doing a little get ready with me, and I have a pineapple on my head. You know what I've been doing? So my 24-hour brow gel, I'll put it on, it makes it white. It's like white crust. Now I use like Vaseline and I put it on my eyebrows. Did you squeeze your eyelash in it? I've been putting bronzer in my crease. This is what happens when you have a dog.
Okay. Mascara is done. Look at you, girl.
This highlighter is really just blowing my brain.
Go best one, that's my best friend. Oh.
Alright guys, I finished getting ready, but Tess is still getting ready, so she can't hear me right now. And we had this whole Secret Cupid thing arranged between our friends, which is basically like Secret Santa, but on Valentine's Day. So we all got each other gifts. What Tess doesn't know is that I got her a phone case, and I also got my friend Sharzad a phone case, and Casetify helped me out pick them out. If you don't know what Casetify is, it's an amazing phone case brand where they have tons of different options of super cute phone cases, and I'm really excited for Tess to open hers up. I don't know what they got me, so I'm kind of excited to see what it is. I have the two cases right here. They're super cute. I want to show them. Look at them. They're like sequin, and there's a hidden message in it, and it's so fun to play with. I love it. So going in there. The case on my phone is also from Casetify. It's so fun to play with. Look at that. I play with this all during class, just saying. Like, this is so fun. I'll leave the link to Casetify down below in case you guys do want to purchase something from there, as well as a 20% off coupon code. These are also super satisfying to play with. They're sequin, and when you swipe it up, there's a hidden message. Happy shopping, happy Valentine's Day. The Uber is downstairs, so I really need to rush through this OOTD. The shirt is from Motel Rocks. The skirt is vintage, so is this blazer. This bag is from Topshop. This is such an awkward position. This is
princess.
The bag is from Topshop, and then my shoes are just black Doc Martens. And yeah, let's go. You ready? I just realized that I might have not told you what exactly this event launch is, because I know I mentioned it. Dolls Kill is launching a new collection. I'm really excited. I'm going with my friend Tess, and yeah, we're just gonna check out the new collection, do some shopping. I'm excited. I'm ecstatic. Hey guys, so we're at the Delia's collection launch at Dolls Kill. I have no idea if you can hear me. That is so cute.
The purple sweater?
Yeah. Hi.
On Fairfax. I like your socks a lot. smiley faces. Very cute. You look like a freaking model, bro.
This is the first top. I think it's cute. It's so soft. It looks so good with this outfit, honestly. I don't know how I feel about this one. Is it my style? Guys, we finished up at Dolls Kill. Great. We got all our little goodies, and now we're kind of hungry, and we're gonna meet up with my friend Sharzad, and that's when we're gonna exchange our little secret Cupid gifts. I have no idea what they got me, so I'm excited. Anyway, we're trying to find a place to eat because we're hungry, and John and Vinny's is right there.
I'm
Literally
pissed, bro.
right there, and we didn't think, well, actually we did. We tried to make a reservation and it was booked like 2 days before. We just sat down at this restaurant called Golden State Burger and we ordered our food. I'm with Tess and Sharzad, and do you guys want to do the secret Cupid before or after? Before. I guess we're gonna exchange gifts now. One. Oh, Doc Martens. Oh, I like that. Is this a good reaction?
Yes, this is so
Let me see. You cute.
Bro, I'm literally gonna do this all the time. Look at that. Thank you.
I'm glad you guys like it.
I love it. Oh my god, they're so nice too.
Look at that. All right. Oh, thanks, man. Adios, my girl.
I love you. Bye.
This has been a fun Valentines. Tess and Sharzad just left, and I'm here with Leela, and she gets off work in 15 minutes, so then we're gonna go back to my house and just chill there because I'm pooped. I'm so tired. Leela and I are in the Uber, and we're going home, and ew. All right, bye.
Hi.
Ew, I hate you. I don't know where the button is, so I had to look for it. Alright guys, we're back home with Leela. And basically earlier today in the morning, Tess and I discovered that there's like an attic in my closet, and I didn't go up because I was too scared, but now Leela is forcing me to go. I'm kind of confused and scared because Tess said that there was like a window in there and that it was big, so yeah, let's go. I lifted it up, but I got too scared.
Yeah, low-key, I feel like this is like American Horror Story. Oh, what the fuck?
What?
How do I lift this up all the way, bro?
Lift it and push it back with both your hands.
I'm scared something's just gonna grab me.
Me too, that's why I didn't go up. I got scared. Go.
Wait, I need a minute.
I need a minute.
It's actually big, like she was right. Can you show them how I'm standing right now? Like, no,
Yeah, this is the way. This is how she's positioned.
like I could die.
No, you can't.
Yes,
I would catch you. I'm right here. We both know that I was just full on bullshitting. Leela, what did you...
I heard a noise.
Leela, you can't leave it like that. Leela, it's gonna fall.
It's actually scary.
I'm scared. I can't.
We're making this such a bigger deal than it is. No!
Guys, I went up. I literally opened this shit in like 2 seconds. Are you like gonna go in? Look at it.
Dude, it's just the roof.
All right, guys, it's like 6:20 right now, and I'm about to walk my dog. This house still has Christmas decorations. It's February. Okay. Jax is like, what? Guys, Jax is officially a sheep. He is munching on grass. That's what sheep do, right?
Yeah.
Well, he is a sheep. He is a sheepdog, but it's confirmed now. I love you guys. I'll see you next week. Bye.